Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got our channel, me and Morg's channel. Today I've got a special guest with me. Morgan couldn't make it to the show, so I've got a special guest with me.
Hey guys, how you guys doing?
Biggie with us here today.
Of course.
And we're gonna do a blindfold challenge, just like I did with Morgan. But the thing is Biggie has no idea what we're making.
That's scary, yeah.
And he's not gonna know what we're making, but he has to try it. And at the end, if you guess what it is, and if you guess it right, then he wins.
Guys, you think I'm gonna be alright?
No.
No. She might try to kill me.
I'm not. You never like ever wins. Like their school's better.
My school's better, duh.
No.
We both know that.
I go to UCLA and Biggie goes to SC, but
Yes.
what's S?
Yes.
Okay, great. So let's do it. Say bye to your sight, Iman.
Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind.
Can you do it?
You hear the disrespect, guys?
Do you?
Obvious disrespect.
No disrespect.
Because she doesn't have any rhythm.
Oh no, I've got rhythm.
Hey, hey.
Say goodbye. Everyone say goodbye. Don't cheat, Biggie. I'm serious. Like you have to. You can't cheat.
Hi guys.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Can you see? Hey, 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 hey. It doesn't hurt your ears. Wait, but we don't. Okay, perfect. So, Big, I should pause it for now so I can set this all up. So, Big is in the room and he is not gonna be out here because I am going to put everything together. Yeah. He's totally gonna smell this and guess what it is. He thinks we're making brownies. Earlier he was like, brownies. Okay, and I'll put the recipe for this down in the link below. It's super easy. You'll love it. Well, I guess I don't know you, maybe you don't. It's weird being the one with the plan here. Has to be melted with a dip. Make like a chocolate dipping thing. Okay, we've got everything else. We're here. I gotta lower it so they can see what you're doing. Okay, make sure you don't look, okay? I promise you're not gonna. You ready? Just stand here. And remember, you can't taste stuff, okay? I'll let you know. You ask me if you can taste it and I'll let you know if you can taste it. Okay. All right, grab that.
What?
Okay, first. No.
Okay. We're making Rice Krispie Treats.
Biggie, I said you couldn't feel it. No, we're not making Rice Krispie Treats, so stop. Rice Krispie Treats before my life. Okay, wait. But you've got the knife the wrong way, Big. Okay, be careful. You're gonna drop it. Put it in the saucepan.
Okay.
Good job.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
It has to be a cake. Guys,
It's a cake?
do you think it's a cake, guys? Good idea.
Okay, put it on the stove.
You didn't turn nothing on, right?
No.
I felt the middle, and I put the fire right in the middle of where the pot is.
Why are you looking at me like you can see me?
Because I just know.
I hope you're not cheating.
I know this.
Okay, you're killing it. Okay, come on, go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's never the one all the way to the left. It's never, because that's the one in the back. So when you turn on the fire, watching the video, I'm helping you out.
No, actually you're not because you got it wrong. Okay.
So we're on to the next step right now. So I turned the fire on with the pot. I don't know what's in the pot though. The pot can just be turned on. I think it's the butter. I believe in the. There we go. It's the butter. So what we're doing is sauteing the pan. We're using the butter as our base, so it doesn't create any stick onto the pan.
Right. Biggie, you're so smart. Beauty and brains, don't you?
Beauty and brains.
Beauty and brains.
This is whip it up. We cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah, you know we gotta cook the food.
Hey, cooking in the kitchen.
Come on, okay, come on, fill it. I got butter on my.
I can do it without saying it. Don't even. I'm this nice with it.
Okay, good job. Now you're done doing that because You're really not doing much.
It's marshmallows.
It's not, but okay.
Yeah, they are. I can smell them and I can feel them. What do you need marshmallows for? Interesting, guys.
What do you think it is?
What do we need marshmallows?
What do you think it is?
Blue's Clues.
Wait, did you watch Blue's Clues? Because I did.
Blue's Clues.
Yeah, Big, you're killing it. Okay. I shouldn't have let you fill it. You're lucky I'm being nice. Okay, come on. Put some in. But you don't want to drop them in the fire, so okay, good job. Yeah, put as much as you want in.
This is actually exciting.
You having fun?
Yes, I am, because it's not like I really don't know what I'm doing, because it's like
You don't think you were gonna have fun? You didn't think you were gonna have fun? You didn't think you were gonna have fun, Biggie? But I'm so much fun.
God, don't tell her I said that.
I'm right here, I heard you.
Wait.
Doing this to be hoopty? Biggie, you're missing the ball.
My bad.
Stop, okay, come on.
This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible.
No, it's not. Wait, Biggie, this is so great. Just watching you. Oh, Biggie, you're not supposed to eat them. You can't know what it is.
I know these are marshmallows.
Oh, good job. You gotta lift because you don't want it to push it out. You want to push it out of the bowl. Oh, catch yourself, huh? Okay. You're doing really good.
What are you can't eat if I can't eat. You're eating the marshmallows.
I'm not eating the marshmallows, babe. There are no marshmallows. I don't know why you're saying marshmallows. Now you're gonna add a few more of whatever these are. Okay, good job, good job. You must have used to cook with your mama, huh?
Yes, my mama told me when I was cooking at the age of, what, around 10, 11?
Oh, so cute. Okay, good guys. This is really gonna determine UCLA. I'm really pulling through for UCLA right now.
You're not winning twice.
Cause you're
This is not happening twice.
why? Cause you get Glasgow this season? Yeah, is that why? And you called me before talking shit.
Hey, what you doing?
I was just pouring some more. You want to do it on your own? I'm sorry.
Yes, this is mine.
Yeah.
But don't disrespect my guest.
Oh, let us know, big.
Oh, it's getting real thick. It's supposed to get thick like this.
It's time to pour this in. I'll hold your spoon for you. Grab the bowl by 2 hands and don't you dare feel it. All right, come on.
It smells like Fruity Pebbles.
You think that smells like Fruity Pebbles? Yeah. You think that smells like Fruity Pebbles?
That's Fruity Pebbles.
Okay.
I'm amazing, aren't I?
No! It's not Fruity Pebbles. All right, big, that's enough. Make sure we're getting off the sides. Good job.
We're making Rice Krispie Treats.
Rice Krispie Treat. You must think he's gonna lose anyways. Again.
You's a hater.
See what I did there? He's just killing it. He's really killing it.
I think I need a cooking show.
You
Hello.
do.
How are you doing today, guys? Today, we're gonna do something special, something extravagant.
Yes.
Something that we normally don't do.
Yes. What is it?
Just wait.
Just wait.
We're making something called mysterious. It rubs off a little bit from you to me.
Aw, big. That's so sweet.
Yeah, of course.
That was so big.
Oh my god. Broke the cat. Mark. Don't let your sister use the camera ever again by herself.
Back. You're having that much fun? Oh man, the camera. I really suck at this, big. Wait. You're gonna burn yourself. There you go, babe. Wait, whoa. I don't want you to burn yourself.
If we have marshmallows
It's okay,
or
grab a
Fruity
spoon.
Pebbles, we must be making Rice Krispie Treats.
How are the Rice Krispie Treats? We have Fruity Pebbles. Hold it right here. Underneath, right there, yeah? Now rub the butter all over the pan.
I'm touching the butter.
Get it everywhere. Good job.
I used to really cook.
You would kill me if I actually put that in the video, so I don't know why you're doing it. Grab the spoon, and I got the pot, okay? So now just push that all down into the pot, okay? Oh man. Okay, you sure you got it?
You sure you got it? You asking me, are you sure you have it? You should have. You should have gotten a smaller dish. Because you know what to do. Over here eating all that food up.
What is it?
I just told you what it was earlier. The only reason why you'll have marshmallows and Fruity Pebbles is to make Fruity Pebble Rice Krispie Treats.
That's not true.
It's okay. If I won, my school won. My school won already.
What are you trying to do? Don't you dare taste that. You want? Oh, we're fighting, bro. We're fighting. Do you like it or no?
Yes. Alright, can I take this off?
No, it's not over.
Come on, this is...
I'm totally helping you right now, too. Yeah, whatever. Hey, look at you finding. Finding. Okay, well the Rice Krispie Treats are gonna be a little toasty, but hey.
Oh, so you told me what it was.
Huh?
You just told me what it was.
No, I
You
didn't.
said the Rice Krispie Treats is gonna be a little toasty.
Mixture out of there. No, not like that. Out, because you clearly can't.
I can't see. How am I gonna take something out when I can't even see it?
Okay, good job. Okay, yeah, good job. Good job. What? Good job. Good job, babe. And I'll put this recipe down at the bottom because, oh shoot, you look like Wizard Kelly, your head's cut off. Do you like how much that is or do you want to put more?
I can't see.
Biggie! I told you at the very beginning you're not supposed to be tasting.
Vanilla icing.
Oh, it's vanilla icing? It's vanilla icing? And if you guessed that wrong, what do I get for it if you guessed it wrong? Clearly, young man doesn't know his icing. You want more or you think that's enough?
That's enough.
Good job, babe.
This is like ice cubes.
Yeah, just like ice cubes. Okay, good job here. You probably got butter on your elbow here. Good job. It was time for you to come cut this. Big, I thought I told you you're not supposed to be eating these.
You want me to cut Rice Krispie Treats with a butter knife?
Don't eat them. You have to eat them at the end because oh, you have to like them. Now you've got to dip whatever these are into it, just like half of it. Be careful because this is really hot, okay? Be careful. Good job. Now put it back. Be careful.
A little bit. That's the first.
Alright. Okay, you ready? Alright, you've got to guess exactly what it is, okay?
At the chocolate, it throws me off.
The chocolate guys?
What is it?
And really sweet. Okay, what is it?
Rice Krispie Treat with chocolate, with vanilla frosting.
Alright, take it off.
Yes. What is it though?
It's not supposed to look like that.
What is it?
Rice Krispie Treat.
I told you. I told you. I won. I've been one a long time ago. Anyway.
Are they good though, Blake? Like if we made them right, are they good?
Yeah, really
Like-
good.
Like, cause my followers are gonna love it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure you give it to them.
Do you still want to take them to your friends or not?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
They're not good?
Yes.
So here's what Big's, this is probably the best treat. That's what it looks like. Thanks guys for watching. I know that, oh, you look like Wizard Kelly, your head's cut off. All right, bye guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put the recipe for like what it really is down at the bottom. It actually is really, really good. Down below. Uh-oh. Did you enjoy being on my channel?
That was amazing.
It was amazing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can dance too? I think that this is probably good.
That bubbly.
What? This is great for you.
You can't have my food.
Your meal preps? People are gonna be like, Biggie doesn't eat. Biggie doesn't
have any food.
that nice apartment and no food.
He spent all his money on the apartment and can't buy